Do not struggle. Go with the flow of things, and you will find yourself at one with the mysterious unity of the universe. Water is the softest and most yielding substance. Yet nothing is better than water, for overcoming the hard and rigid, because nothing can compete with it. The moon does not fight. It attacks no one. It does not worry. It does not try to crush others. It keeps to its course, but by its very nature, it gently influences. Those who don't know how to suffer are the worst off. There are times when the only correct thing we can do is to bear out troubles until a better day. A man who knows how little he knows is well. A man who knows how much he knows is sick. Grappling with fate is like meeting an expert wrestler. To escape, you have to accept the fall when you are thrown. The only thing that counts is whether you get back up. If you hate a person, you are defeated by them. He who chases two rabbits catches none. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complex.